Hi everyone, as you can see, we have this twine, an empty container, and of course our glue gun. We are going to turn this into this beautiful basket organizer. So let's start again by gluing this twine or jute into this empty laundry container plastic. Okay, of course, it's another rubbish that is supposed to be end up in the landfill, and we are going to make it as our treasure. So let's just wrap around this twine or jute into this plastic container. Okay, as you can see, it's almost done. I try to speed fast it, guys, because I don't want to bore you to death. My idea is to just give people some idea, yes, to turn their trash into a beautiful home decor or something like a organizer, like what I'm doing now. Okay, it's almost done. I'm just trying to put it until the end of this plastic top. Okay, as you can see, guys, actually I quite enjoy doing this project with the twine. It always come out so nice and really beautiful. And now I'm doing the lid. Okay, same thing. We just have to wrap this twine or jute into this lid of this plastic container until it cover the whole outside area. I don't need to do inside, guys, because nobody's gonna see inside. So, and I'm just gonna use it to put all my knickknacks. You can use it to store your keys and padlocks and things like that. But this one, I'm gonna put it in my bedroom, and I will use it for my little knickknacks to organize it. So, yeah, it's almost done. Like I always said, all this rubbish that it's supposed to end up in landfill, we can always turn it into a very nice home decor or something like organizer. Okay, it's done. And it's kind of boring because it's too plain. So I'm putting another um, rope, a white one, to accessorize it. Okay, I'm just trimming off all the excess twine or juice around the edge. Actually, I'm trying to put more stuff because it wasn't balanced the way I put twine. Okay, I just make sure to wrap around the whole edge or the whole area of this lid. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, you see, it's too plain and boring, guys. So, oh yeah, I'm trying to make French to make it as a holder. There you go. And I'm just gonna stick this in. In doing DIYs, you can just experiment. And if you're not happy, since you're doing some DIYs and it's just all rubbish and it's inexpensive anyway, all these things that I've been using. So you can just experiment around, just like what I'm doing. So I'm putting this white roof, guys, because it's a bit boring to be all twine the same color with the lid. So I try to make this just to accessorize a bit. I don't know if you prepare it is the whole thing is brown, or I put this white bit to separate from the lid and the body. So Yeah, it's done. And there's the outcome, guys. And now I'm trying to put all these little beads in on this front bit. Again, just to accessorize it to make it more beautiful. And it really, it really look nice with this little flower around. Actually, this really made it really nice. This little flower made of, I think, made of pearl or beads, or I don't know how you call this, guys. I just got this into all my craft drawer. I didn't buy all these things, guys, just recently. I've been having this for like years. Just before I made my channel, I've been doing some crafting already. And this is the outcome. It is quite nice. I'm just trying to experiment, but it didn't come out well. So, anyway, this is the outcome, guys. It is really nice. I quite like it. I can put my keys or I can put my knickknacks in there. And, these are all my projects made of jute or twine. As you can see, it is very nice and I'm really pleased with it. So, anyway, I hope you like it. And if so, please give me a thumbs up. And once again, thank you very much for watching. And I see you again next time. Thank you and bye bye.